fire prevention and fire protection systems. 1. An extinguisher with an A rating is designed for use on which type of fire? A. A fire involving energized electrical equipment. B. A fire involving flammable liquids. C. A fire involving combustible metals. D. None of the above. Answer is C. A fire involving combustible metals. 2. An extinguisher with a D rating is designed for use on which type of fire? A. A fire involving flammable liquids. B. A fire involving combustible metals. C. A fire involving energized electrical equipment. D. A fire involving ordinary combustible materials. Answer is B. A fire involving combustible metals. 3. A fire involving flammable liquids is classified as which type of fire? A. Class A. B. Class D. C. Class B. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Class B. 4. A fire involving ordinary combustible materials is classified as which type of fire? A. Class A. B. Class B. C. Class C. D. Class D. Answer is A. Class A. 5. An extinguisher with a C rating is designed for use on which type of fire? A. A fire involving flammable liquids. B. A fire involving combustible metals. C. A fire involving energized electrical equipment. D. A fire involving ordinary combustible materials. Answer is C. A fire involving energized electrical equipment. 6. An extinguisher with an ABC rating is designed for use on which type of fire? A. Class A. B. Class C. C. Class B. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 7. What is the most common type of portable extinguisher found on campus? A. Carbon dioxide extinguisher. B. Halon extinguisher. C. Multi-purpose dry-chemical extinguisher. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Multi-purpose dry-chemical extinguisher. 8. An extinguisher with a K rating is designed for use on which type of fire? A. A fire involving ordinary combustibles. B. A fire involving energized electrical equipment. C. A fire involving vegetable oils and fats. D. A fire involving combustible metals. Answer is C. A fire involving vegetable oils and fats. 9. Which of the following is true regarding a flammable gas fire? A. Always extinguish the fire if a portable extinguisher is available. B. Never extinguish the fire regardless of whether a portable extinguisher is available. C. Only extinguish the fire if a spare extinguisher is available. D. Only extinguish the fire if you are capable of promptly turning off the supply of gas. Answer is D. Only extinguish the fire if you are capable of promptly turning off the supply of gas. 10. When confronted with a fire, what is the most important decision you must make? A. Whether to call fire prevention services or fight the fire. B. Whether to evacuate the building or fight the fire. C. Whether to activate the building alarm or fight the fire. D. Whether to close the room door or fight the fire. Answer is B. Whether to evacuate the building or fight the fire. 11. If you have not received training in the use of portable extinguishers, what action should you take when confronted with a fire? A. Determine how to use the extinguisher by reading the instructions on the label. B. Call fire prevention services and ask for instructions on how to use portable extinguishers. C. Ask a coworker for instructions regarding how to use the extinguisher. D. Evacuate the building and let the fire department extinguish the fire. Answer is D. Evacuate the building and let the fire department extinguish the fire. 12. Before choosing to fight a fire, which of the following questions should you ask? A. Am I safe from toxic smoke and gases? B. Do I have an escape route? C. Do I have the right extinguisher? D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 13. If you choose to fight a fire, what is the first action you should take? A. Activate the building alarm to notify other occupants. B. Check the extinguisher gauge to ensure it is full. C. Call to notify authorities of the fire. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Activate the building alarm to notify other occupants. 14. If you choose to fight a fire, what is the second action you should take? A. Activate the building alarm to notify other occupants. B. Check the extinguisher gauge to ensure it is full. C. Call to notify authorities of the fire. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Call to notify authorities of the fire. 15. If you choose to fight a fire, where should you position yourself? A. Outside the room to avoid being trapped by the fire. B. Next to a window so you can jump if your efforts to extinguish the fire are unsuccessful. C. 6 to 8 feet from the fire, between the fire and your escape route. D. As close to the fire as possible to ensure maximum efficiency of the extinguisher. Answer is C. 6 to 8 feet from the fire, between the fire and your escape route. 16. How often should an extinguisher receive a visual inspection? A. Once a day. B. Once a week. C. Once a month. D. Once a year. Answer is C. Once a month. 17. Which of the following extinguisher types will not have a gauge? A. A halon extinguisher. B. A carbon dioxide extinguisher. C. A multi-purpose trichemical extinguisher. D. All the extinguishers listed are provided with gauges. Answer is B. A carbon dioxide extinguisher. 18. If you believe there is a problem with an extinguisher, which of the following actions should you take? A. Pull the pin and press the handle to see if the extinguisher works. B. Call the university police since it's possible the extinguisher has been vandalized. C. Dispose of the extinguisher and request a replacement unit. D. Call fire prevention services so corrective action can be initiated once fire prevention services performs the annual maintenance inspection. Answer is D. Call fire prevention services so corrective action can be initiated once fire prevention services performs the annual maintenance inspection. 19. Which of the following items will not be found on the extinguisher? A. A tamper seal. B. A pull pin. C. A label indicating the type of hazards the extinguisher is designed to protect. D. An inspection tag. Answer is D, an inspection tag. 20. The four elements that must be present for fire to exist include heat, oxygen, fuel, and a chemical reaction between the three. A. True. B. False. Answer is A. True. 21. The concept of fire prevention is to keep these elements separate. A. True. B. False. Answer is A. True. 22. There are four classes of fire, class A, B, C, and K. A. True. B. False. Answer is A. True. 23. Class B fires are those fires that occur involving paper and wood. A. True. B. False. Answer is B. False. 24. Multi-purpose dry chemical extinguishers are effective on all classes except D and K fires. A. True. B. False. Answer is A. True. 25. To remember the rules of fighting fires, just remember the three A's: activate, assist, and attempt. A. True. B. False. Answer is A. True. 26. The four simple steps for operating a fire extinguisher can be remembered with the word pass: pull, activate, squeeze, sweep. A. True. B. False. Answer is B. False. 27. After the fire has been extinguished, it is important to watch the site for reigniting. A. True. B. False. Answer is A. True. 28. Fire extinguishers must be inspected or checked every 60 days. A. True. B. False. Answer is 29. According to local, state and national codes and regulations, fire extinguishers must be maintained biannually. A. True. B. False. Answer is B. False. 30. What type of electrically powered industrial truck can be used in Class 1, Division 1, Group D locations? A. Type X. B. Type S. C. Type E. D. Type E. Answer is A. Type X. 31. What is the minimum acceptable flow at the base of a riser including hose streams, ordinarily acceptable for pipe schedule sprinkler systems required for ordinary hazard, Group I, classified occupancies? A. 100 GPM. B. 850 GPM. C. 700 GPM. D. 500 GPM. Answer is B. 850 GPM. 32. The pressure produced by a column of water 1 foot high is 0.433 pounds per square inch. B. 2.31 pounds per square inch. C. 14.7 pounds per square inch. D. 29.9 pounds per square inch. E. Answer is 0.433 pounds per square inch. 33. The total head of a fire pump is A. The energy imparted to the liquid as it passes through the pump. B. Psi rating as the liquid passes through the pipe. C. The energy imparted to the liquid as it passes through the orifice. D. The static pressure of water at the intake of the pump. Answer is A. The energy imparted to the liquid as it passes through the pump. 34. Proper exit design permits everyone to leave the fire-endangered area. A. Without fear of loss of life. B. Prior to an untenable atmosphere. C. In the shortest travel distance. D. In the shortest possible time. Answer is D. In the shortest possible time. 35. The Life Safety Code included the term exit in an overall definition of means of egress. A means of egress is a continuous path of travel from any point in a building or structure to the open air outside at ground level. Egress consists of which three separate and distinct parts? A. Access to the exit, lighting, signage. B. Access to the exit, floor construction, door swing. C. Access to the exit, and area outside the building. D. Access to the exit, and the exit discharge. Answer is D. Access to the exit, and the exit discharge. 36. In Type 2, 111, construction, columns supporting more than one floor are required to have a fire resistance rating of A. 0 hour. B. 3/4 hour. C. 1 hour. D. 3 hours. Answer is circa 1 hour. 37. The intensity of the illumination of means of egress should be not less than A. 1-foot candle measured at the floor. B. 1-foot candle measured 3 above the floor. C. 3-foot candles measured at the floor. D. 3-foot candles measured 3 above the floor. Answer is A. 1-foot candle measured at the floor. 38. An oxygen-enriched atmosphere is defined as any atmosphere in which the concentration of oxygen exceeds 21% by volume or the partial pressure of the oxygen exceeds what pressure? A. 1.6 pounds per square inch. B. 16 kPa. C. 16 atmospheres. D. 160 torr. Answer is D. 160 torr. 39. Water is most effective and most commonly used for which of the following type of fire? A. Class A ordinary combustibles. B. Class B flammable and combustible liquids. C. Class C electrical. D. Class D combustible metals. Answer is A. Class A ordinary combustibles. 40. Which of the following is not a basic method for heating gravity tank water? A. Direct discharge of steam into water. B. Gravity circulation of hot water. C. Steam coils inside tanks. D. Warm air in internal jacket. Answer is D. Warm air in internal jacket. 41. An important limitation to consider when using pressure tanks in automatic sprinkler protection is their A. Small volume of water stored. B. Dependence upon outside power sources to maintain pressure. C. Lack of training of fire department personnel. D. Inadequate pipe sizing. Answer is A. Small volume of water stored. 42. Which one of the following principles is used to determine the necessary exit width? A. Design and application. B. Flow and capacity. C. Width and movement. D. Construction and design. Answer is B. flow and capacity. 43. As a type of automatic fire detection device, heat detectors are the A. Oldest, B. Newest, C. Most reliable, D. Least reliable. Answer is A. Oldest. 44. The first principle of good storage practice for chemicals is A. Limiting quantity, B. Segregation, C. Containment, D. Concentration. Answer is B. Segregation. 45. When using a CO2 fire extinguisher, you should be aware that the nozzle will become A. Very hot, B. Very cold, C. Warm, D. Slightly cold. Answer is B. Very cold. 46. Which color coding does foam fire extinguishers fall under? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Cream, D. Black. Answer is C. Cream. 47. The color coding for a dry powder fire extinguisher is A. Blue, B. Cream, C. Red, D. Black. Answer is A. Blue. 48. Which two types of fire extinguishers should you avoid using in confined spaces? Choose two answers. A. Dry powder, B. Water, C. CO2, D. Foam, E. Wet chemical. Answer is A. Dry powder, C. CO2. 49. Which of these fire extinguisher is most suitable for electrical fires? A. CO2, B. Water, C. Wet chemical, D. Foam. Answer is A. CO2. 50. Which of the following is not a Class A material? A. Wood, B. Paper, C. Propane, D. Plastic. Answer is C. Propane. 51. Which category does titanium and aluminium materials fall under? A. Category C, B. Category A, C. Category F, D. Category D. Answer is D. Category D. 52. Which types of fire extinguishers were designed specifically for tackling Class F fires? A. CO2 fire extinguishers, B. Dry powder fire extinguishers, C. Wet chemical fire extinguishers, D. Water fire extinguishers. E. Answer is C. Wet chemical fire extinguishers.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.